guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review on Longqi, I don't know how you say it. I think it's Longqi, I think. But they were very nice and they sent me some hair to review. I know it looks kind of short because I actually cut it like I was cutting.
Okay, what's up everybody? So first what I'm going to be doing is starting off by bleaching the knots. I don't have a specific amount that I pour, but I just pour enough. And then I go ahead and pour in the 40 volume developer and just mix it up to my liking. You want it to be thick enough to where it won't be runny and the brush can just kind of stand up in it. And then so next what you want to do is you just want to spread it on to the lace. It's easier if you have like a butter knife. Just spread it on. Be careful on how much you put and do not press into the lace or it will bleed through and get onto the hair and onto the roots, and that's not what you want. So just be super duper careful when doing this so that way you don't mess anything up. So yeah, just kind of spread it on. Be careful, like I said. Don't do too much, but just do just enough to, you know, do what it needs to do. And then next, just grab some aluminum foil, fold it over, and that will help with the heating up and help it get in there. I set a timer for 25 minutes, and then once the timer goes off, well, while I'm doing that, I'm going to be washing the bundles. I'm using the Carol Dollars. I can't remember what specific thingy it is, but I know it's for damaged hair. I'm just using that because it helps soften the hair up a lot. Another good thing to use is the Aussie Mega Moist, but right now I'm just using this. I use the shampoo and the conditioner to wash all 3 bundles. I let the conditioner sit for about 3 minutes, which you'll see later on. But yeah, that's what I did for that. And you just want to rinse it out, get all the dirt, germs, everything out, because you never ever want to put any dirty bundles in your hair. It's not good, it's dirty, and you just don't want to do that. Did it stop? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me stop it. I think it did stop. Yeah, it did. Did it? I don't think it did. Okay, come on now, stop acting stupid. So right here, you just can kind of see me tying it up into the bag, help the heating. Now the closure is finished. I'm just checking it because you want to check to make sure nothing like bleeds through. So as you can see, some of the knots are still a little bit dark, so you want to put it back down and let it go for a little while longer. But just make sure you check so you don't over bleach. Okay, so right here, I'm going to rinse out the closure with warm water and use a neutralizing shampoo. If the shampoo is pink, that means all the bleach isn't out, so you might want to rinse it off and do it one more time, and then just kind of rub it together and make sure everything's out, and then rinse it out completely. And I just brushed it because it was tangled. So next I'm going to take the same aluminum foil I used to cover it with the bleach and get the Shimmer Light shampoo and just scrub it on there, and that's going to help cancel out all of the brassiness. And then now I'm just rinsing all of the conditioner out of all the bundles. Damn, this is going why isn't it pausing? So just use some boiling hot water to tint the lace, and I'm using the Adore dye. I'm not sure what the color is, but it will be on the screen. And you just want to put your closure in there and let it sit for about 5 minutes. I made a mistake and accidentally let it sit for too long, and the knots went black. But I just used concealer and stuff to cover that up because that was an accident. So just be very careful when doing this because you don't want to over process anything. So once the timer is up, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. Just use water. That's it. That's all you need. Yeah. So now I'm just going to be laying out all of the bundles so that way they can dry easier that way. When you have curly hair and you're about to sew it in or do whatever, it doesn't have to be super dry, but you know, you just want to dry it somewhat. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to make the wig. Just take a dome cap and you want to position it onto the canvas blockhead so that the lines are kind of matching up, and just pin down the closure. Make sure it's flat so when you sew you have no problems doing it and you have no lumps or bumps. I'm turning it to the side so you guys can see, but you just want to get the needle and just kind of sew down your left side or right side, whichever side you want to do first, and then you're going to go ahead and sew down the next side and then sew down the back. So once you have the closure sewn on, you want to go ahead and begin sewing down the bundles. And I forgot to mention that when you're sewing down the closure, don't sew through the elastic band, or when you put the wig on, it won't stretch. So be careful. That also goes for when you sew down the bundles. So basically I've sewn in all of the bundles and I did double weft, and so now I'm just undoing the ponytail and I'm just going to brush it or comb it, and then I'm going to take it off and cut off the dome cap because you won't need it, because you're not going to be, it's not necessary to see it under the wig. So I did start plucking it a little bit, but I just didn't show it because it took a long time. So right here, I'm just going to be cutting it evenly across to the back and to the front, just all the way around. Make sure everything's even so it's the right shape.
The hair. So it's like really short. But they sent me a 10-inch closure. But like they sent me 3 bundles and it was 12, 14, and 16. But in my personal opinion, they looked very weird with it being so short and then a long one. So I decided to cut it. The hair is pretty soft. It's not like hard. I put gel in it, so of course it's not gonna be super soft. But I mean, the hair is okay, but let's see. I mean, for me, like just trying curly hair for the first time, I guess. Well, this is like my second time, but I guess it's good for me trying it the second time. But in my honest opinion, I don't think I would constantly rebuy this hair. Maybe I'll buy it like once or twice, but I won't buy it anymore after that. It's not bad. It's pretty it's decent. It's not bad at all. It doesn't have a bad smell. It came pretty quick and I ordered it from Amazon. The hair, in my opinion, is very nice. I'm gonna show you the back. I'm also going to show how my sister made it. She made it into a wig. So this unit she made herself. And we actually recorded the whole process of me getting it in the mail and opening it, seeing what it looked like and how I liked it. But I mean, the hair is pretty good so far. It's not a lot of shedding. Like I can run my fingers through it. Nothing in my hands. Like it's actually pretty good. It's not bad at all. It doesn't have a bad smell. It curls. I don't know if it straightens. I wasn't going to test it because I hate when you straighten curly hair and it doesn't curl back up the way you want it to. So I just went ahead and I don't know, I just put some water and some curling gel, and I forgot what I used, but it's like I don't know, it's like curling jelly, so it's a gel. But overall, this hair is very nice. I'm not sure how I like the cut though on me because this hair is big. If it was like smaller, I'll be okay. And I don't know. Like I said in my previous video, I'm not a big fan of big hair. Big hair is just not something that I like. But I mean, this hair is not bad at all. I would definitely recommend it, but I would not recommend the lengths that I got. I would recommend longer ones because maybe it'll look better longer. And I also wouldn't recommend putting in all the bundles if you don't like big hair, because I put in all the bundles and it was just 3 and it looks thick like this. So if you like super thick hair, I would recommend putting all the bundles, but if you don't put all the bundles in there because it's just too thick. I feel like I have like a mop on my head. Like it's just like my head itself is like this. So if you go like that, that's like a lot of hair on my head. So I mean, if you like big hair, then do it. What? Anyways, sorry, excuse my voice. I'm a little sick, so that's kind of why I sound like this. But I mean, this hair's not bad or anything. It's pretty good. I like that it's not dark because most hair is like super dark. But this hair's not bad at all. I like it. It's pretty good, and I'm so thankful for them for working with me and being like gracious enough to send me this hair so I can review it. If you like short hair, I would recommend this to cut just because it's super curly. Like looking at the pieces on the floor, they look really curly. You probably can't see it because my camera's not gonna focus on it, but I don't know, these are so nice. These are like really pretty actually. But let me stop picking up the hair off the floor. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Click the notification bell because you're gonna miss everything that I post if you don't. You might never know. I might do a giveaway with some hair or makeup, or I might just do something that you like. You never know if you don't click the notification bell. So just click the notification bell and let me know what you guys think. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.